Everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am the download driver Lexmark. This is serial. You type here, you type for the then this one I insert the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. This here for official website. You click here. This here for the printer. Click here for the title support and you scroll down. Click here for the title driver and download. This here for the printer and I have a recommendation for you. Click here for the download and paste the model to print. Click here. Oh, this here for the IQ key reference and I am back. I need search the match the the driver. Click here for the download. Not much the driver. This here for the type automatic your operating system. You make the operating system for the Windows. This here for the type your Windows. You make the operating system for Mac. This here for the type system for Macintosh. And if you make the operating system for the Linux, this here for the type automatic your Linux. This here for driver recommended for you and driver printer and scanner, and this here for the freeware if you need to load driver for the Windows 10 or the Windows 11. This here for support Windows 11. This here for the driver package, driver and printer only. You click here for the driver download. You click here this here for support your the Windows 11 support, and this here for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. This here for Windows Server 4 support, and this here for the Windows 11 support. If you need download, you click here for buttons download. This here for the swap. Here for the drive for the load. If you need question, if you need link, if you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop PC. Laptop on PC type USB cable printer and please one finish for the load. If you finish for the load, you double click here, or you click here, you click open, double click file, you click next, and you click finish. Is here for the type automatic USB cable printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need link below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time.